Hey everyone, I just wanted to show you our blizzard of southern Maryland. Last night it snowed pretty bad, but not as bad as now. And as everyone can see, I have a bunch of pictures up on Flickr of our tree, and now the trunk is almost covered. We got about a foot now, they said on the weather. I think we got a little more down here. I've also got some pictures of our plants. Now they're practically covered. Here's the other houses. Yeah, so for all you people living in Florida and enjoying your nice warm weather, I just wanted you to see how much we are suffering. It's actually really pretty though, if you can get past the freezing cold. Yeah, and way back there, I mean, you can see snow's just covering. That's actually a pond, but I believe it's frozen over and the snow's now covering it, so hopefully nobody tries to take a shortcut over there who's not familiar with our area. Alright, I just want everyone to see, because a lot of people were wondering how it was down here. Hope you enjoyed. Thank you.